So lesson objective for this topic will be to differentiate cause and effect. Okay. Later on, we will discuss how to write a cause and effect paragraph. Okay. And then after, you are going to evaluate a cause and effect paragraph by writing a critic paper. Okay, so that's it. So without further ado, writing a cause and effect paragraph. Now, what comes to your mind, class? Okay, if we talk about cause. Okay, again, what pops to your mind when we talk about cause and effect? Okay, kindly write it on your chat box, please. Sige, let me see. Just your own idea. Okay, type it in the chat box. Okay, your thoughts about. Good afternoon to Yara. Okay, your thoughts about cause and effect. Wala na ang responsive. Lagi sa taga-STEM lagi. No, aside sa nawala na ang ilahang pan, what do this one, ang almost perfect attendance, nawala na po ang responsive. So we have answer here from Mary Claire, okay? Cause is hinungdan. Effect is result. I don't know. Okay. So, what else? What pops to your mind when you talk about cause and effect? How about Kurt, Vinzel, Charisse, Razel, Yara, Jomario? What pops to your mind? Hello. Sige, write it there in your chat box. Wala na lagi. Okay na, may na si Kurt. Okay, we have the answer of Mary Claire. We have also Kurt. Cause is the input, ibalik sir, yun ang effect is the output. Okay, so that's according to Kurt. So, thank you for your answers. Okay, Mary Claire and Kurt Lister will got additional 2 points. Okay, please remember your points ha. Okay, a cause and effect class, okay, ng pattern organizes details based on the cause. Okay, good afternoon, Arnel. Okay, organizes details based on the cause, the reason, the result, or consequences of a certain phenomenon. Okay, so if we talk about cause and effect, so the reason, okay? The reason, the result, or the sanhi at bunga, or the consequences of a certain phenomenon. So say for example, diba? If ikaw, okay, diba? If ang bata, okay, wala siya nag-eskwela, okay? Now, mauna siya ang yahang cause, diba? Ang bata is wala nag-eskwela, no, for this school year. What do you think will be the effect on that bata or on that situation? Okay? Kindly put it or write it on the chat box. Okay, let me see kung naminaw ba ang uban. Kung responsive ba gyapon. Okay, what do you think would happen? Diba? In terms of cause and effect. Okay, write it on the chat box. Nasa gibati, sir. Absent siya, sir. Okay? Sige. How about let's say, a long-term effect to that bata? Wala na ako kikuha ng specify, no? Kanang, kumbaga, wala gid siya nag-enroll. So, for example, ang bata is grade 11 na siya karon. Okay? And then, wala siya nag-enroll. It's because of the COVID-19, kumbaga. Now, what do you think will be the effect? the long-term effect to that bata. Be, let me see. Sige, write it in the chat box. Okay, maulahi siya, sir, sa iyahang mga kabas. Okay. Of course, di ba, maulahi siya. Okay, yes, of course, kimakaon lang. Wala man siya ng eskwela, di ba? So, di modo, maulahi siya sa iyahang mga kabats. So, kung magay na, class, no? The cause there is wala siya ng eskwela. The reason or the effect or the consequence is that maulahi siya sa iyahang mga kabats. So, this pattern may discuss both. Okay? In paragraph writing class, when you are writing, this pattern may discuss both the causes and effects. Okay? Pwede lang siya sa isang paragraph if you prefer the cause only. Or kaha, or else, the effects only. Diba? So, it's up to you. So, for example, ikaw, nagsulat ka karon, you were given the chance to write a cause and effect paragraph. So, pwede ra class nga imong kuan ito, isulat is plainly causes lang niya. No? Nag-state ka og you will have a topic sentence, okay? And then, na imo lang din gikuan ang iyahang mga causes. Okay? Ingana lang siya. Or else, imong main topic, imong main idea, okay? And the effects only. Or pwede ka po siya both imong idungan, no? Sa main topic or main idea, and then the cause and effect dayon. Okay? So, okay, welcome, good, Myra Zaportiza. Okay, and also, kisa itong bagong gisulod? Okay, no? So, that one class, pwede siya, again, pwede siya cause only, pwede siya effects only sa paragraph, pwede po siya causes and effects. So now, for you to be more, okay, to be guided more, okay, let's have this one. So, kumbaga guide question. So, number 1, study your topic and use critical thinking by asking key questions. So, with this number 1 class, in writing a paragraph, manggod, okay, you need to consider or you need to begin with the end in mind. Okay? No? You have to question yourself, yun, una. Okay? How? Or saan man? Okay? First, okay, am I going through explain causes, effects, or both? Okay? Ako bang, no? Of course, mo na kanina. Kinahanglan ba na ako explain ang causes lang niya? Is it only the effects lang? Or both the cause and effects ako i-explain dira sa akong paragraph? No? Next, what is the most important cause or effects I want readers to know? No, this one, okay, take note. Most important cause. Diba? Say for example, okay, sa pagkakaroon, diba, pinaka-rampant yun or prone kumbaga in terms of one yun, the topic is that early teenage pregnancy. So if we talk about early teenage pregnancy, diba, we have the cause and effects on that one, on that particular topic. So no, with that, if say for example, kung ako magsulat ko, okay, and then akong focus is only sa causes lang yun siya. Now, do you think isa lang ang cause sa teenage pregnancy class? Okay, I guess not only one. Okay, now, kindly write down, okay, put down in the chat box, okay, the causes in terms of early teenage pregnancy. Sige, let me see if there are a lot of causes, no, in terms of teenage pregnancy. Okay, we have answer here from Arnel. Wala pa din, bumasiyo na siyang ganina. Okay? Cause ha, hinungdan ha, okay. Sige, keep your answers coming, very good. Responsive, I thought dili responsive ang taga-STEM C. Okay. So according to Mary Claire, okay, because ang cause niya is rape. Okay, it can be, no? According to Kirk, negligence from parents. Okay. Yes, it can be. What else? So Jo Marie, according to Jo Marie, uneducated or kanang gamay ra ilahang knowledge about that certain stuff. Yes, it can be. Diba? So as you can see, class, as you can observe, no, with your answers, diba? Dili lang siya isa lang day ka ang cause nga pwede nato siya ibutang sa inyong paragraph. Diba? Daghan siya. That is why I've been telling you, okay, na yung gini nasa inyo ha, nag-mention ko nga, you have to, okay, have a focus. Now, what if, no? Or example, napagid, curiosity according to Charis. Now, say for example, if there are 20 or more causes of this kind of topic, do you think is it enough, no? Na magbuhat lang kasi isang paragraph, no? So, pili na siya, mura na siya og one class. Even galing sa research, dapat nakaka-focus niya. So, what more in a paragraph or in an essay? No? So, dapat, it must be isa lang, duha, or at most na tulo ka ideas, okay? Tulo ka causes. Kung cause, mag-focus lang ka sa cause niya. Nga side, di ba? Why? Because still you are going to support that one with evidences, di ba? Now, what are those evidences, di ba? Okay, according to the source, unsa nga source ba ka ha? According to this person, no? According to the research, according to mga yana bitaw. So those can be an example of evidences. So, no? The primary sources. I know that you have this one in your MIL, di ba? If you talk about primary sources, those are the first-hand information or the first-hand evidences, di ba? Okay. So, that's it. Make sure nga dili lang kayo, dili kay daghan bistanan nga halos gibang mention nimo pero wala nimo gi-expound ang imuhang mga ideas. Okay? Imong mga causes. So, iyan na. Mura ibot sa class ba nga sahay magdaan wonder without ta? No? Pag-wonder siya, no? Ngano ka dili gyud text? Ang cause is dili siya text. Pag-wonder ta, ngano ka ha? Unsa kay mga possibilities ngano di siya ko text? Maybe okay, kaning naa siya gibuhat, di ba? Busy siya. Okay? Or kaha naa siya ka text lain. O, ingana na sa class, di ba? O, muna kinahanglan, okay? Naa tay mga a lot of evidences. Now, the same with effects manggod na siya gyapon, no? Kung ingana ang causes, ingana pud siya ang effect class, no? Daghan gyapon ang epekto ana. So in terms of teenage pregnancy, so there will be a lot of effects nga pwede nimo ma-mention. That's why pwede ra at most nagidali na siya class nga kung ingon ganina, at most ang 3 causes or effects nga imong ma-mention para mas ma-broaden pa nimo kung unsa ang iyahang mga supporting details. Okay? So that's it. Let's move on to the letter C. There are any terms I need are there any terms I need to defend? Okay? So of course, katong gingon sa inyo, say for example, mag-mention ka diya og curiosity. So with that term, kana siya ka term, imo na siyang i-defend. Imo na siyang hatagan og mga evidences, di ba? Okay. Do readers need any background information? Okay. Of course, yes. So unsaon man, di ba? Mao gani class in cause and effect dapat na kay what do you call that one? You know, you really need to know your readers, no? Tagaan nimo sila kung mga introduction with your topic. Dapat magkuhan ka og topic sentence nimo diha para so that they will be given an overview kung sa imo ang gusto ipasabot, no? So much, no? And then on the latter part, mas hatagan pag hindi mo rin sila because napaman kay mga explanations. Diba? So what evidences such as facts, examples, or quotations can support my ideas? So mao na to sila mga evidences. Do I avoid mistaking associations or time relationships for causes? Okay. So these 6 class, okay? Now, under ni siya Dani. Okay? So again, you have to begin with the end in mind. Diba? That is why kung mahimo gali class, before mo magbuhat, kinahanglan pwede kang magbuhat mo graphic organizer, no? What are my causes? What are my effects? Okay, kani siya. No, inyo siyang kumaga para na siya makita niyo ang relationship nila, diba? Okay?